Make your iPhone super easy and simple for seniors or olders with big icons, clean menus, and only the app you choose. So no more delay, let's see how you can turn on Assistive Access or senior mode on your new iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone. So first you have to make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 17 or newer. Now you have to open up your settings, then scroll down, then tap Accessibility. Now scroll down until you find this Assistive Access option. That's actually the senior mode feature. Now you have to go for Setup Assistive Access. Your iPhone will ask to confirm, and now you have to choose your Apple ID for the users. You have to make sure it's the person who will be using this iPhone. Now you have to choose how you want the screen to look. You can choose grid views or rows view. After select that, you will see app like calls, message, camera, photos, and many more options. And also you can choose who is allowed to call or receive calls. You can also select the favorite. I'd suggest keeping it on anyone for safety. Now go through each app carefully and select only what you want them to access. This keeps the phone simple and directions free. Next, you will see options for emergency calls and other quick access tools. Review those and tap continue. Now you have to create a separate Assistive Access passcode. This passcode locks the phone in senior mode so settings or apps can't be changed accidentally. You can also add a recovery Apple ID in case you forget the passcode. Once that's set, tap Start using Assistive Access, enter your passcode, and your iPhone will switch to a clean, senior-friendly view with big icons, easy menu, and no clutter. Isn't it really amazing? Now to exit senior mode, just triple-click the side button, and here you will find many more options. You can choose the settings, you can adjust the settings. And now to exit, select Exit Assistive Access, and then enter your passcode. And there you go. Your iPhone is now perfectly set up for seniors, easy to use, safe and simple. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.